How do you make pilau rice, mate? Okay, I'll show you. Get 300 gram of basmati rice. You need to rinse this at least 3 times until the water runs clear. If you got shit product, then you might need to rinse it a bit more. But if it's top quality, 2 or 3 times is more than enough. And then what we're going to do, once you've rinsed it 3 times, fill the water over about an inch over and leave it for an hour to soak. Minimum, bastard, minimum. This is what it should look like. Then you get 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil, and we need these spices. You need cumin, 1 teaspoon, 3 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 bay leaves, and half a diced onion, nice and fine, half a medium diced onion. Get the oil warm, throw all the ingredients in with the salt, give it a nice stir fry till brown, golden brown. And what we're going to do is, this is a trick, we get foil, cover the lid so that no steam escapes, leave that to the side. We still need to fry these onions. This is going to be extra flavorsome, so what you need to do is follow the instructions. We're just going to fry these. You need them to be brown, not put no ginger garlic in, not put no pork and tomatoes in. You get double the amount of water, so we're using 600 milliliters of water. Throw it in, but watch the steam. So stand away and throw that in, otherwise the steam will blind you. Now, people don't like the whole spices in the rice. Spider, this is a spider in me, right? It's not a popcorn spider. It's a black cardamom. You can use a colander and a strainer and take them out, put them to the side, throw them in the bin. Get your rice. Make sure the heat is on high. Keep it boiling. Add the rice and bring it back to a boil. Don't waste any rice. Use all. Oh, fucking hell, I wasted 1 grain. Put it in. Don't forget, I'm Yorkshire and fucking Indian. We're tired bastards. Waste not, want not. Gently move the rice. Don't be stirring it around like you're making fucking porridge. Nice and gentle. You don't want the grains to break. Once this got to a boil, bring it to a simmer. You see these little volcanic little eruptions there? That's what we're looking for. All the water to disappear. Not completely, just from the top line. So you'll see some bubbles. We're going to seal that. Push it down. 12-minute timer. You've got nothing better to do. Fucking count backwards, bastard. After 12 minutes, I show you the tea towel trick. You get the tea towel, switch the gas off, and put the tea towel there, cover the lid, and leave it to rest for 3 minutes. That is the secret. So we'll let that steam soak into the tea towel, and then the gas was off for 3 minutes. Now we're going to check the grain. Look at these lovely puckered grains. Look, pilau rice, no glumpy shumpy, no clumpy dumpy, no fucking, what the fuck is this? This porridge? Is it kajiri? No, it's pilau rice. And have you realized? No color. No glow in the dark mustard rice for Joe. Only natural color. Look at it. Beautiful. It smells lovely. It fucking tastes lovely. It look lovely. Your friends, your family going to be so fucking impressed. What's you doing with the chopsticks, bastard? Use a fucking spooner. Use a fucking hander. That's better. Get it down, you love. Get it down, you love. Get it. So I've got a yogurt. I've got a lamb. I've got a chicken. Sorry, pal. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get it down, you cub. Thank you for watching. See you soon.